Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is spaghetti with rocket pesto. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got a pot here full of water and I added some salt as well, and we are going to turn that pot on so we can cook the spaghetti when that is boiling. Well, it was already hot, so it's already boiling. So now we can put the spaghetti on. So please do not be afraid, because we need to open the spaghetti like this. Okay, so we put the spaghetti there. We make sure it's all in water. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid back on in there so it will come back quickly to the boil. In the meantime, what we're going to do, we're going to start the rocket pesto. So in this blender I'm going to add the garlic and the pine nuts in there, and we're going to give them a good blitz in there. That's a good blitz. This is boiling now. We can put the lid off and let the pasta cook nicely there. Before you cook the pasta, always look at the instructions of the packet, and if you want it al dente, always leave that 2 minutes before cooking as well, before you finish the pasta. As well, as you can see, this recipe is very easy and simple. In less than 10 minutes we can do a nice plate of pasta. So now I'm going to add the rocket, and if you want to substitute the basil with rocket for basil pesto, that's alright. So we're going to add the rocket there. Then I'm going to add the cheeses as well, some pecorino and parmesan as well. Again, for the recipes and pictures and method, please do log on our website robbenjays.com. There you will find much more recipes from meat, pasta, fish, salads as well, and we've got weekly menu which we work on constantly to provide as much as planning easier for you guys. And please do share our work so we encourage more families and more people to come into the kitchen and cook. Like I always say, cooking is easy. The difficult part are planning and shopping and all that stuff, you know. So that will be appreciated. Thank you. So now what we're going to do, we are going to blitz again, and we can start adding the oil as well. In this recipe, if you can, use a good quality olive oil. We add the oil slowly. It looks good. I'm going to add some salt as well. And some pepper too. Okay, and basically the rocket pesto is nearly done. Just I'm gonna scrape the sides in there. Gonna give it another blitz. And that's the rocket pesto. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take one portion, put it here, and the rest I'm gonna transfer it to this container. So this one I'm gonna use it to serve the plate now, and the rest I do it as when I need it. Later on when my kids comes, I'm gonna transfer this pesto for later. By the time we should have this ready, the pasta should be ready as well. So that's the pesto there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta water with this and mix it up. I'm going to add a little bit pasta water with this pesto and mix it up nicely like that. Okay, so now when the pasta is ready, we're going to drain it, add the portion in here, mix it up, and we can serve. So that's ready. Now the pasta should be ready. We can drain. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a portion, how much I need, put it in here, and the rest I'm going to put it into this tray, baking dish, in there. We leave it there so it will cool down. That one, you do not touch the pasta with water or add any oil. So now we're gonna mix it's beautiful spaghetti with rocket. Can add a little bit more. and we can serve. There you go. We can serve with more cheese, some pecorino, and some parmesan. There you go. Spaghetti with rocket pesto. How easy was that? For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.